Alright, I got a 1987 Jeep Wagoneer Limited. This also applies to pretty much everything in that area in the same body style. But what we're looking at is the sway bar bushing. One of these from your auto parts store costs you about 10 bucks, but look down in the description. There's a Amazon link to this exact product that I used. You can get 2 of them for 10 bucks. So this is probably the quickest and the easiest thing to do. But 2 15mm bolts, take them out, and your original one might not have the split where it just kind of goes over, so you could either slide them off if you finish up your sway bar links, which are right there. So which I'm getting ready to replace. So you could disconnect the sway bar links and slide them out that way if they don't come off, or do like I did and put them in the middle. See, these aren't good ones. They ooh, this one's a good example. Yeah, just wiggles around too much, but pretty self-explanatory. I put some grease because everybody says that if you don't put grease in there, once something gets in there and it starts squeaking, it'll never stop squeaking. And I'm not a OCD person, but you know, you get a bunch of little squeaks, it becomes a big squeak. So I was trying to avoid that. But pretty much self-explanatory. These have the cut on it, so you just open up the cut, put it over the bar, and then slide it back into place and just bolt it back down, and it'll eliminate the it's one of the first steps of the death wobble. But if you buy something new, buy something used, and this is like one of the first things you should automatically replace, because I mean 10 bucks to it eliminates more of the swaying. Like it's not like a shake or anything like that. It's just like low speed driving in the city, driveways, kind of parking lots and stuff like that. Like I've noticed a huge improvement in that kind of situation. I do take mine off-road for my job and everything, so you know, I do take it off-road, but mainly it's city driving, and I noticed it's starting to improve. But next is the sway bar links. Alright folks, and that's pretty much it, and alright, stay tuned for more videos.